Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix the error likes not showing on Twitter or X. So I will be using an emulator, but the process is the same, so you can use your mobile devices as well. So first of all, what you'll have to do is you'll have to find your Twitter application shortcut or app icon, and then you'll have to hold it, and then you'll see this app info pop up. Press on that. It will take you to a page similar like this where you can see the storage. So go to the storage, and then here you will see two options, clear data and clear cache. What you'll have to do is you'll have to press clear cache to clear all the cache there is, and then go back a step, and then here you'll see force stop button. It is already stopped in my account, so what you'll have to do is you'll have to press force stop, and the app will stop all its process. So after that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to make sure your app is updated. So simply go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Twitter or X and see if any updates are pending or not. If they are, I would advise you to update your application, and this method should fix your issue. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.